Hi, SaaSpreneurs. Welcome to day 27 of our 30-day high-level mastery series, where we look at one simple implementation tip to implement in your business right away. So today we're going to look at pricing strategy. So I see a lot of people who don't understand or who just jump on the 497 plan right from day one. I would say what I would just ask, like, why is the hurry? Like, who is paying you unless you've determined that you're going to the SaaS plan and you've got clients ready to sign, or you need that build out time in the SaaS. Like right now, I'm building a SaaS. And I'm still on free trial. I've extended the free trial until we build it, and we've got already 5 paying clients, but I haven't kickstarted the SaaS just yet for to make sure you start paying only when it's absolutely essential. So understanding the pricing plan of high level is really, really important. So there are 3 different tiers: 97, 297, 497, all in US. For $97 you can have 3 sub accounts. Obviously your business becomes the first sub account. You have spots for 2 different businesses to come and pay you, and then you can move on to the 297, which is an unlimited high level plan. I suggest all my clients that do not upgrade unless it's absolutely essential and you've got people who pay for your subscription, so you're not paying from your pocket. A lot of people take this emotional decision, or I think it just feeds people's ego and just make them feel good when they just jump on 297 and 497 when it's not at all essential. So think about the pricing in terms of the plan that you're on, whether it's serving you. You can always upgrade and downgrade whenever you want. Upgrade is a single click. So if you're on a 297 and you don't have 2 paying clients, I would downgrade the plan straight away to $97. And then once I fill that 2 sub accounts, then I would upgrade to 297. So at this stage, if you're not having any paying clients, or if you have very, very few paying clients, I would stay as frugal as possible. On the other hand, I've seen clients that are on a $97 plan who've got like 10 different social media marketing clients use one sub account to basically manage 20 different businesses. Works for them. I wouldn't do it personally, because if a business is paying for a sub account, you might as well create a separate sub account for them, create newsletters for them, and value add and charge them 197 Australian or US, to basically do that done for you, social media marketing service. That's a missed opportunity because you're doing everything from one sub account and you're just using the social planner, whereas there are other services that you can upsell. In my business, repeated clients or the current clients upselling themselves onto other high level services has been a major source of recurring revenue and setup fee. So if you're using just one sub account, I would really, really question the missed opportunities for you for clients who are already paying you. So you think you're being frugal in managing all 20 or 10 different businesses in one sub account, but I see it as a missed opportunity for 10 different businesses upselling themselves onto other packages that high level has to offer. All right. So that's your food for thought today, to think about the plan that you're on and the value that you provide for your clients. So let me know what plan you're on and what's your goal to reach the 497 SaaS plan and having multiple clients paying you that money so you're not paying from your pocket. All right. I'll see you tomorrow.